Good afternoon from InvestSharp. This is Randy Smotone with your Wednesday, December the 16th market update. On the economic front, consumer price index was up 0.4%, which was in line with consensus. Housing starts were up 8.9% or 574,000, which is also in line with consensus. DIA petroleum status showed a large drawdown of crude. The drawdown was 3.7 million barrels. And the FOMC announcement was basically in line with expectations. There was no surprises there. I'm not sure if any of the verbiage changed much at all from what I saw. Let's see, tomorrow we have jobless claims, Philly Fed tomorrow, and EIA natural gas report. The dollar was down today, just slightly, and oil, gold, silver, and copper were up. Light sweet crude futures, the January contract was up again today by $1.97. to settle at $72.66 a barrel. If we go over here and take a quick look, we've been watching the point and figure chart here on WTIC, the West Texas Intermediate Crude. So we broke down here. I said we might be able to get to the 66, 65 area. We're back up to here. We'll have to see if we can go a whole lot higher. I'll be impressed if we can, just go above this trend line in this area here, but that will remain to be seen. Let's take a look at the Dow. The Dow closed down 10 points to 10,441. S&P closed up a whole 1 point at 1,109, and the Nasdaq closed up 5 points to 2,206. The Nasdaq had the largest percent gain, up 0.27%, and the Dow was the weakest. It was down 0.10%. So we look at the Dow, guess where we're at? We're still in this channel. Another day, same story. Looked like we kind of tried to go above here, got rejected, and looks the same. S&P, kind of same story here. The MACD, I can't tell if it's going to turn back up or down. We're just kind of stuck, and I've been doing a lot of spread trades and iron condors because it's been a great market for that. I mean, we've basically been in this same thing since early November, basically. So it works great for that. Let's see. Let's look at GS. Keep an eye on Goldman Sachs. It's in this wedge, which should be bullish. Out of about 167 or so, you could jump back in this. It performed okay today. Financials did all right. We're still stuck, same on the XLF, still right in this area here. I like it if we can break out above here, or if we break down below this 14 for a bearish play. What else we got here? Let's look at gold. Gold got a pop back up today off this. This is the gold ETF off this 110 level. Silver, same with silver, but keep in mind that now it's just put right into resistance here, so it'll depend on the dollar, I would imagine, where that goes. 10 of the 16 sectors we follow finished in the green today. The U.S. Home Construction Index had the largest percent gain, up a little over 4%. The weakest sector was the biotechs, which is down 0.86%. Here's a quick snapshot. Here's the 16 sectors we follow, and here was their percent gain or loss on the day. Let's take a quick look at the VIX, the volatility index. Volatility just keeps coming out of the market, another 4%. Here the last couple of times we've got down to this 20 area, we've gotten a pop back higher on the VIX, so let's keep an eye on that, which would mean the market would be going down if the volatility's rising, probably. Let's look at some charts. Snap-on looks good, had a ascending triangle. It did pull back some today, but it still looked good. It's got a little volume down there. I like that one. Been watching this chemical company ALB. It's still consolidating up there towards the top after breakout. Looks good. Big Lots, another consolidation, looks good. It's got a huge ascending triangle. CERN, like this one, just broke out like right there. That one looks good. Should go higher. Look for it to go back up to that 85-ish range. AVB, Avalon Bay, also a recent breakout channel. I like it if the RITs and the IYR go higher. Plum Creek Timber broke out of this 36, which is a long-term resistance level. It dates way back. I like this one for, especially for even for an investment longer term. UNH still looking good, going higher. MRVL broke out. This inverted head and shoulders, consolidated, went higher. Had nice gain today. Watch this Joann Stores, this retailer. I like it. It's been showing some buying down here. It's got some resistance there, but if it breaks out, it should go get a nice pop there. It should go higher. Rhino, it's consolidating sideways. Keep your eye on it. Apache Gas Company broke out back here, but still going higher. Looks good. Walter Industries, WLT, still looking good. Had a little pullback today. Maybe you can pick it up down in the 72.50 area if you keep your eye on it. Fleur, or Floor, or however it's pronounced, had a massive breakout here, and I like it. Still looks good. Hot, right there, just broke out, sitting there. I like this one too. Riverbed looks good. I like it here. HPT, Hospital Properties, I like it up here too, consolidating, but it still looks good. Continental Airlines, recent breakout, low risk entry right here, like it. JLL, recent breakout, I like this one too. I like a lot of stocks right now. Everything's looking pretty good. Titaniums, I like it. It's consolidating here just the last couple of days. Just hanging out. Keep an eye on it. If it breaks higher, jump in. I'd like it better down around that 1050. C-Trip, like this one. Nice day today. CHRS, Charm Shops. Nice channel here. Recent breakout. Another one to add to your list. Education stock, DeVry, recent breakout of this channel. News Corp, another stock, recent breakout. Had a lot of volume down here. Like it. Should have definitely should be able to grab another $1.50 or $2 out of it. Banco Santander, Chile. Like this one too. Broke out, recent breakout. Should go higher. Zinc, come out of it. I like this guy. Actually got a little bit of a, I guess you can get it's inverted head and shoulders here. I like that. It has symmetrical triangle. Recent breakout, looks good. And for a bearish play, I like DEC. Broke down here on the MACD for my lines. Had a lot of selling there. Had more selling today. I'm actually in this one with from early this morning with a January like 90 put, so you might keep an eye on that if it breaks down further or not. Let's take a look at the current market signals. We follow the point and figure charts for the Dow, the Nasdaq, S&P. All three indices remain on buy signals, and all charts look good. There's really no reason to look at the charts because they're not moving. They're stuck in a channel like everything else. That's it for today. Thanks for joining me, and remember to always invest sharp.